odd that we can't get like the gallery, but I suppose this will do for the moment. Let's just check get details of a post. Maybe we can see it if we go to here. What's this? Comments. No, we don't really care about the comments or any of that stuff. It's very odd that there's no easy way to just find the like the gallery images. I don't know how the music isn't disturbing you. I couldn't program. Really? Like, what way is it disturbing me? It's good. It's like epic, motivating. Okay. I think this is good for the moment. Yeah, I like it. Okay, I think, you know what, for the moment, let's actually, it's really hard to resist this temptation. I really want to start adding stuff on the front end, but I think it's best to get all this back end stuff done first. Too much. Like, too intense. Yeah, like, there are lots of those people who like kind of more like chill, like boppy, electronic, I don't know, sort of music. But I don't know, I like this music. Yeah. So does Ryland. Let's just search. I could probably work it out myself, but let's just search it up because it's easier. Get differences between all items in array. JavaScript. Cool. Okay. No, it's all get. Let's say get combinations of pairs, maybe. Upload. Okay. Yeah, let's just I'll copy this this code. Where should I put this? Just put it right at the bottom, right at the top maybe. Generate pairs array. So let's copy this code and then like modify it a bit. Yeah, let's say dot push, and then here we'll say return pairs. Awesome. So now if we say console.log, let's say products.map product.created at. Now let's say generate pairs. Let's just try logging this and see what happens. I'm getting tired now. I need to give my eyes a break soon. Let's keep doing this for a bit longer though. Okay, you know what? For a sec, I'm going to go to someone who's made a lot of products. In fact, let's go like Peter Levels, because he's cool. So let's pretend that that my product hunt username is suddenly Levels.io. Let me just block this for a sec while I enter my password. Okay, awesome. So here we go, Levels.io. So now it should get Peter Levels' thing. Awesome. It's a ton of products. Wow. Since when did he make this much stuff? Wow, okay. Total votes 28,000. Nice. Cool. So anyway, 250 things. Okay, let me think about this. So if there are 29 things, calculate. Okay, this should do it. Stat track. There's probably some formula for this. Number of points, so 2 and 29. Oop, what happened there? 29. 406. Actually, let's say dot length, so we can see if like the amount of combinations, it's the same amount of combinations as like this random stats website. But I mean, if my thing and their thing is the same, then we're probably good. 351 and this is 406. So is there a difference between that? Nope. Oh, okay, so that's like either order. So this is a bit weird. What I should do maybe is if I actually have a look at this maths like maths Stack Overflow thing, maybe I can find a better formula. What does this mean? Okay, so that's let's say JavaScript combination function. Maybe it already has one in it. Okay, nope, this is way too complicated. What's this? Combinations. This is a weird way of doing things. Maybe the other one, this one, that looks good. Okay. So just squared. 29 to the power 2. 841 divided by 2. Cat. There we go, medium article. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so that's what I thought. So square it. But like combinations. I wonder if might be easier to just use this code and hope it's right, the code that we already have. Yeah, let's just try that. So then what we want to do is we want to say okay, so we'll say var product combos equals that. Oh, actually we might not even need pairs. Because what we can do is if we sort them by date first, then by date, then we can just loop through and compare it to the one next to it. Products dot sort A B B actually new date B dot created at time, then we'll copy this except A dot created at dot get time, and we can say for I equals 0, I is smaller than products by date dot length -1 plus plus okay, var shortest duration. Actually, what we can do is we can actually just say b minus a, and we can map it first. So product new date product dot created at dot. Okay, so what that'll do is this way we can like map it to an array of all the times, like the dates that it was submitted, and then we can sort that by the dates, and then yeah, so what we'll do here is shortest duration equals okay, infinity. Okay, so then we'll say products actually, what do we say? If product dates, actually let's call this product dates, I plus 1 minus I is smaller than shortest duration, then shortest duration equals what do we want it to equal? We want it to equal this. Then we'll say for the moment I'm gonna not console.log that. .log shortest product Where did we write product? Well, no, no, we're gonna have to write. Oh, here we go, product. What was that about? Oh, yes, did we get a reply from SparkPost? That's kind of weird. Okay, we need to do this now, because I want to get it to them ASAP. Okay, so we're going to temporarily put that on hold, so I can reply to them. Hey, gather addresses. Form. No. In checkbox. But what? So there's no opt-in checkbox, but I will not send any marketing emails, only emails with a link to log in. Okay, let's do this in a list, yeah. I will be sending messages with a link to log into the web app with only when they log in. What tools do you maintain? In by the way, this jolting thing, in case you're wondering, that's a bug which I need to fix. Probably fix that this week, actually. What tools do you employ to maintain a clean recipient list? Emails, so I don't use any. I provide a profile generator which will for them like maker.rocks/Ethan, which what do we say? They won't know anything about makers. Shows stats about the user from sites like product hunt, makerlog, and WIP. Should I link to them? Yeah. then I get maker.rocks. Six information. I don't do email marketing. I only send login codes. I'm doing a 24-hour hackathon, and actually, okay, that's too shouty. We want this to be like, you know, highlighted but not that shouty. Doing a 24-hour hackathon, and I don't get approved within a few hours. I will have to use a different email service. Actually, let's say, please reply ASAP. Thanks, Ethan. Awesome. Hello, you have returned. So what's happened? Spark Post just replied saying apparently they've seen high levels of abuse coming from .rocks extensions. Why on earth is that? Is that because like all the weird marketing people get like marketing.rocks something? I don't know. Anyway, so I just sent something to them. Oh yeah, that probably would have been a good idea. Oh well, too late now. I said like if it doesn't happen in a few hours, I might have to use another email service. So like hopefully that'll scare them enough. I hope that that's like an actual human response, and that it's not like some automatic thing. Because like if there aren't any humans like on now, then that's not good. But I can always use like SandyGrid or something else. Yeah. Cool. I know I'm not really threatening them. Were you there when were you there when I was setting up the sending thing? Basically, like it just kept saying like they wouldn't verify my domain for some reason. So I like emailed them, and then like yeah, because I want them to verify it by the time like I make this whole thing live. So you know, yeah. Yeah, it's looking good. Yep. So what I was working on before I just received that email was I was working on some of these stats. So I'm using Peter Levels as an example because he's launched a ton of stuff. So this should say shortest and then shortest duration. Yeah, so I'm gonna get shortest time between launches, maybe longest time between launches, and then also average time between launches. So if I scroll up a bunch, he's launched so many things. It's kind of crazy. What's that? Where are you at with the service? With this thing? Okay, I forgot when you were last there. But so like login, sign up, sign in, that's all working. Changing settings is working. And now what I'm working on is like the function which gets all the actual stats to display on the page. Shortest, negative 100 okay. I think, okay, this should be the other way around, actually. Whoop. Just knocked something off the table. Let's try that again. See what happens. Whoop. Cool. Okay. Wait, really? Did I miss this? Ah, okay. Love 2 steps from hell. Yeah, they're awesome. I usually code to them a lot. Okay. Infinity, that's not good. I'm actually gonna comment this out for a sec, because this scrolling is kind of starting to get a bit ridiculous. Oh no, but that'll do that like 50,000 times. Shortest infinity. Well, that's not particularly what we want. What? But how can something be bigger than infinity? Oh, because I made an error. That would be why. This should be, that's better. Cool. Oh, still not working. Is it +1 and then still saying infinity? I don't get this. Ugh, okay, I am so stupid. So the problem was, I was meant to put this over here. Okay, that's better. Whoop, wait, and now... Okay, let's try this. Here we go. Okay, format, duration, JavaScript, cool. Here we go. Humanized duration. That sounds nice. This is on the back end, so we can use npm and stuff. Oh, awesome. That's cool. I like this package. So let's install this. Let's put that and in fact let's make this const as well, just to make things look nice. Cool. Okay, let's try this. High severity vulnerability. That does not sound good. Now, in the... oh no, we can't do it while it's installing. Wait till it's finished. Wait a second, what? 15. Stream often. Not that often. In fact, this is my second stream that I've done. My first one was launching Kanban Mail on Product Hunt. But I plan to do them more often. Yeah, I plan to maybe live stream writing some blog posts and stuff. It's just something weird has happened with my terminal. Node. Let's just type it in again. Yeah, here we go. Oh, nice. Happy 16th birthday. Ooh. 3 days, wow. How are you so much cooler than I? I don't know. I'm sure you're cool. What? I'm so confused. Okay. I can't tell if you're a troll. Stop being a troll, or I'll block you if I know how to do that. Okay, so this looks approximately right. 3 days in between one of Peter Level's product hunt launches. Let's see if that's correct. Levels.io. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of like SpaceX. I don't know if you like are into SpaceX and stuff, but they have like a turnaround time thing. So like I think the minimum between rocket launches was like 2 days or something maybe. But yeah, so yeah, like they focus a lot on turnaround time, so it would be kind of cool to do that for indie makers. You know what, I'm not gonna block you. You're kind of amusing. Okay, okay, now we just need to find which of these have the minimum turnaround time. 7 months ago, so that probably wasn't it. 8 months ago. 8 months ago, so it might be these two. Can I see what date? What date? 8 months ago. Actually, I can probably financial independence calculator and nomad bubble. Okay, here we go. Nomad bubble. Oh, no, not bubble. Bundle. You know what I'm trying to say. So that's 2018, 03, 20, and then the other one was financial independence calculator, which was 03, 26. Oh no, that's 6 days. Maybe he's done something sooner. Makebook maybe? Was that also 8 months ago? Yeah, that was also 8 months ago. Maybe it's Makebook. 12 to 20. No, that's 8. So that doesn't really help stuff at all. Should we just trust that this is right? Let's change it back to me actually. We change it back to me, then we should be able to work it out, because I only have like 2 things, not 50, 27, 29 to be precise. But yeah, okay, cool. So I was just setting the product hunt username back to me. I set it to Peter Levels. It's like I've only launched 2 things, so like the minimum and maximum would be the same. Okay, this looks pretty good. Should we include hours in there just for fun? Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's copy this thing. Okay, here we go. So now we have a nice and at the end. I think I might keep it to 3, maybe. Is there any way to say only particular things? Okay, so we can just specify units like that. So all of the units are year. So year, mo. Units. So y, let's not go to hours. Day. Is that it? Weeks. Yeah. And let's also round it. I like this library, it's really nice. I think I actually made like a custom one of these for Kanban mail, but I probably should have just used this. Looks nicer. Whoop, there we go. My mouse is working again, which is good. 5 months and 9 days. Perfect. And then for Peter levels, if we that button still really satisfies me. Just saying. If we go back to here and then levels IO, and then we redo this. And then it says 3 days. Perfect. Awesome. Now let's also do longest. Longest duration equals 0. So now we're going to do a similar thing here. Except this is longest duration, and instead it is greater than var humanized duration options equals let's put these all on new lines. Then here we can say humanized duration options, and then we can do the same for longest, except we'll say longest duration. Let's try this. Whoa, is that real? Yeah, that's pretty insane. These calculations are correct. The longest that Peter Levels has spent without launching a product is 1 month and 24 days. Is that correct? It's pretty insane. Like ever since he first launched a thing. Whoop. I mean, he's launched like... Let's see, the first thing he launched was hood maps. Wait, what? How does this work? Is this correct? I could have sworn that hood maps was more than 10 months ago. Because like that would mean he did it in January. Oh, okay, it was because that was when it was hunted by Golden Kitty Awards. See, this was like 4 years ago. Surely he hasn't done one thing every month for 4 years. No, because then that would be way more than 29. So in that case, there's probably something wrong, I think. Yeah, Oh, you mean you tried, copying, the, like, this bit of code here. Yeah, that's because, like, it, like, that's the code which you're currently logged in with. So that's, like, stored in your browser, and then, yeah. And also, in that function, you need to put your email address. So probably because your email address doesn't have an account, it returned 404. Okay, so I think there's something wrong with my code. What? Peter Levels inspiration. Since when was this a thing? Hey. Okay, what's this? What's this about? let's follow this. Awesome. Thanks, Noah. I don't know if you're watching, but thanks. What's the difference between that and that? Oh yeah, let's go with that one. Let's try with Danuka. Actually that's probably not his username, is it? Danuka. People, here we go. This dude. Okay, 9 made. So, if we go to here, let's have a look. Shortest is 12 days, longest is 21 days. Really? These chronological? I feel like they're not. So that's 4 months ago. Then that was also 4 months ago. Whoop. Go back. 4 months ago. Oh, 2 years ago. Okay. So something is definitely wrong. Okay, well this is odd. Do we need to like reverse it or something? Why don't we log this array? Okay, so that's the most recent one first. And so yeah, we get wait a sec. Okay, did I really do that? Yep, you are right, I did. I can't believe I did that. Raoul's Martin, thank you. See, this is why you don't code stuff when you're tired, but I'm doing the 24-hour startup challenge, so too bad. Thank you. 3 months and 9 days.